we live in an area that has a well, and here's the pressure tank. And I came down to find a leak around the pressure tank, and I realized that it's this the drain. So this is basically the drain for this tank. So I tried tightening up the packing nut, which is this, which usually stops any leak. Didn't work at all. So I'm gonna replace this. So this requires me draining down the whole system and shutting the water to the house and just swapping this out. So that's what I'm gonna do. So first thing, double unnecessary. I'll turn off the pump, and I'm gonna turn off the breaker just for good measure, which is water pump there, 20 amp. And we'll get back over here. I'm gonna turn off the water from the house, from the house. Let's do this, and I'll isolate this also because I'm gonna change. I have another cartridge I'm gonna swap out. I'll shut this off also. Again, this one's unnecessary. And then I'm gonna drain this down. So I'm gonna get a hose, attach it to here, stick it out the door, and open up everything. All right, so like that, we got that connected. Next, let's stick the end of this out the door without inviting. I had a rabbit in this basement, believe it or not, once. Like, I have no idea how it got in. It scared the crap out of me. I saw a big gray thing run across. Like, what the hell is that? And I found it was hiding. So I don't know how it got in here. But, so there's the outside here. I'll just leave it here for now just to make sure I can see it going down. So first we're gonna drain this down. Hopefully I can open this smoothly. There we go. And of course it's leaking because this hose is a piece of crap. Piece of crap hose. This has nothing to do with anything other than it being a piece of crap hose. So I think with there's not that much water in this tank, even though it's 60 gallons. When it's all said and done, I think there's maybe like 15. As long as the pressure gauge is reading 0. So let's take this off. All right, so this is now open. All right, so let's see if I can get ready to take this off there. That wasn't too bad. So here's a new one, lead-free, 1/2 inch. Put some Teflon tape on it, tighten it up. 3. 4. All right, that should be plenty. All right, so let's tighten it a little bit. I don't really know. I don't think I have to tighten this like a gorilla, just so that it doesn't leak. The skinny thing stinks. Once more round and we're done. See, now I should just leave the drain like this. I'd be happy. That was good. Okay. I think I'm just going to leave it kind of like this right here. So it can come out that way. All right. So that's that. Let's shut it. It's open. Make sure the packing nut is tight before I run into the same problem as I had last time. Okay. Here we go. All right, let's shut this down. All right, now I'm going to check the pressure of this thing. This is a 40-60 switch that I've doctored a little bit. It's close to 50-70 now. It's close to like 40-70. So I am gonna set it just at around 40. So I'm gonna stop this and I'll get my compressor and we'll get a shot. This pressure gauge, and rather than bring down a compressor first, I figured I'd check the pressure out. And it's 41.5, so it should be good. It should be 2 pounds under the cut-in. So that would be good if it's like 43, and I think it's at least 45, all right? Maybe closer to even 50. So it's been working and it's gonna continue to work. All right, so let's put this down. Turn that off. All right, so next thing is taking this off and replacing the filter. This is, see the best way. I've been doing this for 7 years. I still don't have a good system to do this. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna lean against this and unscrew it with 2 hands. So when I catch it, yes, the water will go flying into this garbage here, but at least I'll have this. Let's see, we got mess. All right. Whoever, like I said, whoever set this up initially was a dummy. All right. All right, so we got that. Now, start the job of, look at all the crap in this well. Watch this. Pull this out. Hold that O-ring, we don't want to lose that. And for this should drop right out. But for some reason, of course, it's stuck. That's odd as can be. I'm gonna have to whack it with a hammer a little bit. I don't want to break this. A rubber mallet, which is one of the better inventions. See how well that worked? Now I wonder why it's stuck there. That's odd as can be. I don't want to pry on it. This should come right out. I just don't want to break it. There it comes. Maybe. Let's whack it this way. Whack it this way. It's moving. Wow, here it comes. Holy crap. I can't believe this. Wow, look at all the stuff in there. That is not cool. That is not cool. That's all. I can't believe what's in there. Let's take this outside, I'll show you. I know there's like crap in the well, like filings. Look at this. This is bad. This is really bad. Wow. I can't believe this. Look how much is in here. This is bad. I'm surprised I had any water pressure at all. That is not good. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's why I couldn't get it out. Wow, you know what? That was only maybe a month. All right, so anybody who is watching this who knows what the hell is going on. What do I do now? I mean, our water's fine in the house, but with so much stuff in there, how do I get this out? I don't want to leave stuff like this in the well, get this into the anywhere in the house. Really bad. Usually there's a little bit in there, nothing like this. I used to think it was magnetic, but it's not magnetic. I am glad I changed this. This is like an afterthought, because it's only been, sometimes I can wait 3-4 months to do this. I'm like, all right, as long as I'm gonna have it apart, maybe I'll just swap this. What a good thing. What a good thing. All right, so here's what we're gonna do now. I'm gonna get the rest of this crap out of here as much as I can. Wow, that's not good. Not good. That's why it was stuck. That's why it was stuck. All right, let's do a few of these. We'll get as much as I can out of here. Anyway, gotta figure out what to do to prevent that from happening. Okay, so, all right. Open this up. Sits on that little, that's either way you can put it. All right, now let's go with the moly coat. That is problematic as far as I'm concerned. That can ruin any plumbing. That kind of black junk. Cross-threading this. All right, let's get this on there. This is just so it seals and I can open it next time. This should help with the opening. Been like that in all the time I've lived here, which is like close to 10 years. Okay. All right, let's snug it up. Okay. All right. All right. Closed. Get rid of this. All right, let's turn the power back on. Let's make sure this is closed. And see what happens. I still got the pump off. Hopefully nothing leaks. It's crazy. All right, so let's put the pump on. All right, flick this on. All right, here we go. All right, I guess the 40 is where we start. All right, this isn't leaking, that's good. All right, there we go. All right, so it's about 70. All right, now that I took this off, I gotta put this back on because I need to get the air out of here, purge the air out of here. Till some water comes out. And we still have this closed over here. Here it comes. Gotta be a neater way to do that. All right, let's open up the house. I guess there was air someplace. Okay, that was stupid. Anyway, it's gonna be 2 years before I can see if there's any leak with what I just did, given that I just flooded the whole area with water all over the place. This is gonna be dripping. But anyway, that's it. We should be done. I'm gonna go open up some of the lines upstairs, so that so I get some of the air out. All right, but this is not leaking over here. We're good to go. Okay, so that's it. There's no leaking on that drain now, but I'm not happy about this. If anybody knows what this stuff is, it's not metallic. I tried a magnet that doesn't adhere to a magnet. Doesn't look like regular mud. It's very gritty, and it packs down very easily. It looks like metal shavings. I don't know how I would even test this and see what it is. I want to think it's some kind of iron stuff. And then how do I keep this out of my holding tank? I mean, I would have to in order to keep it out of my tank, I would have to plumb another whole house filter in line before my tank even. You know, I have to put a second whole house filter here, go back down, and then go into this pressure stuff over here, so that the water coming in goes through this before it even gets to the well, before it even gets to the holding tank. If anybody's system is plumbed like that, or if you're in the business and you've seen that done before, please let me know. All right. So the repair was a success, but it really got me concerned. All right, and that's it. Have a good day. And I gotta get the water off of this. This is gonna be, I just made this. This is gonna be for my pool toys. Not my pool toys, but like my floats and all that stuff. So it's my side job after being a dentist, is making these things. All right, over and out. Have a good day.